Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wolf and Her Sister Fox, chapter 49. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Minjun and UNC. Since her aunt is taking away her from UNC, oh, she's already in the possession of her family. This is the jewelry that the owner of the house preferred long ago for you to wear at the auction. The owner of the house specially found the best craftsmans and rubies especially ordered to be customized according to the design that you drew. When you was just came on your age, that of servant was busy on taking care of her, including her aunt, who was watching her closely. Of course, they don't want her to escape again. Now, looking at Minjun, Auntie, you dressed me up so beautifully. Do you want me to be sold at this auction? Minjun was talking to her aunt. Well, it's a little crazy, right? Oh, Minjun, she was teasing her aunt. She know to herself that her aunt, she will never let her go. Aunt said, silly girl, what are you talking about? Her aunt moved closer to her. Oh, looking at Minjun, she looks really gorgeous. That dress, also the fine jewelries, everyone will get her attention. Her face is too pale. She needs more flash. Aunt told the servant, everyone seems to be busy, kissing her off, also assisting everything. But for now, her aunt, and we don't talk about this. I want to ask my aunt, do you really think that actions tonight we can shoot the so-called sustained release agents was developed by Separation's family really can relieve the side effects of inhibitors? Right now, I know you have doubts in your heart. So many years, lab researchers has been unable to eliminate the side effects of inhibitors. But this is just an excuses to deceive Janjun. Jun, right now, she was really thinking and also, she was really smart. She can able to deceive her aunt. You can always try. Don't you want to have a real emotions? Again, her aunt said to her, Jane, really, looks like Maomin. She's been conferring to her mother. But aunt, emotional things need to have career. If you can find the person you love, these feelings will only become stagnant water. But I think, aunt, you should be incomprehensible. No, Minjun, she was teasing her aunt. She know to herself that what she wants. Of course, I will listen to my aunt. Let's complete the task of the night. But Jane's mother is a simple little white rabbit. Aunt said to her, well, of course, right now, even though she is a part of the fox, of course, she is also a part of the rabbit. And her aunt, she is really getting tricky towards her. She know to herself that Minjun, part of her, is also a soft, like a little white rabbit, and her aunt, until now, she was really watching her closely, so she can able to get escape. The auction was held the big super ship. Well, it seems that the venue, it was really fabulous and also standing. With the riches of the country, everyone was going there to see the auction. A lot of wealthy people will come. And also, Minjun, she was there. She was really dressing well. Her ship will sail to the high seas and the auction will also held there. And it will take about 4 days the total to travel back and forth. Broad sea. Oh, is she really scared of the sea? It's the only unperfect in the Federation. The freedom, the boundary of legal constraints is just an auction. Why should we rush to such a place? Well, definitely right now. She was thinking about this, but Oshin, you are here. I am honored to see you here. Someone was calling her, approaching them. This is Miss Jane. It's true. A well-deserved name. Everyone seems to be pleased after seeing them. Now, every girl was looking at her. Temperament is really very good, like a mobile. Princess, are you wearing the jewelry that you signed? It's much stronger than satisfactory evil in my family. Jian, everyone is approaching her, mesmerized by her outfit. Auntie, this is the appetizer that you prepared for me. You have more contact with these sons, and there's no harm. Save the day and earth and the great wolf together. Doesn't look like it. Someone is calling her aunt. Old fox, when did you change your careers? And why are you starting to sell your niece now? Oh, who's the person who's staring at them? Oh, Minjun seems to be surprised. Also, her aunt seems that she doesn't like the person. Oh, it turns out it was the head of the security bureau that UNC was working for. Oh, it seems that the other girl is UNC, right? Now, they're accompanying this girl. Well, let's see. Let's see on what's gonna happen. Minjun was asking herself, who is it? Her aunt is asking her questions. Why are you here? Of course, I heard that you're also here, so I want to join in the fun. The girl said to her aunt, oh, this is clearly the fabrication. Oh, her aunt, she seems to be furious, and she was holding the whip. Oh, she really gets angry, right? You are looking for your death. Anne said to them. Of course, looking at her, she got really serious about this. Well, definitely, she's going after for the girl. But right now, it was UNC who was trying to stop the whip. Well, of course, she's her boss. And also, she's going to protect her. For this crazy old fox, she's really going to protect her boss. UNC, she was really so strong. This moment, she grabbed the whip and she already take it from the old fox, of course. Now, looking at Minjun, she was smiling and also she looks really happy. Well, did Minjun notice that the girl is UNC, right? Hey, old fox, are you manifest or you stressed? Where are you going? To punish the people if you disagree. Well, she was right. Now, it's been controlled. Old fox, the thing that you want to hurt me is to lose money. Oh, look at her. She was still provoking. Old Chian. Oh, looking at Minjun, suddenly realized that it was UNC at this moment. Well, look at her. She going after her. It's you who don't know what to do. If you mess with me again, be careful. I will peel off your skin. As a new whiff, Old Fox said to the girl. Well, at this moment, already calmed down. Of course, dear friends, don't affect your good mood because of this trivial matter. We came here tonight to have fun. One of the meal was telling her, well, probably they really want to stop this commotion. Everyone seems to be wealthy, right? Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!